And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking south on 13th Street North. Just under an hour ago, we had the odd little ray of sunshine, and then we had some cloud cover, then we had some sunshine, and temperature's not too bad. Also not too bad as I'm giving tickets away to the playgoers of Lethbridge production. I've got opening night tickets for Wednesday, February the 1st at 8 p.m. at the Yates Memorial Theatre. It's How the Other Half Loves is the name of the production that they're doing, so I understand it's supposed to be very funny. 317-2445, leave me a daytime and an evening number if that's possible, or if you need to, maybe just have the one phone number you want to leave me, that's fine too. Good luck to everyone, and I'll clear the phone lines. Minus 19 degrees is where we're at right now. As I said to Jackie, or minus 15 rather, is where we're at right now. We did warm up from minus 19. That was our overnight low that happened actually at 7 a.m. this morning. And then right now we're at our daytime high. Temperature's not quite where Mike LeBlanc and I on 98.1 CKVN radio this morning were talking about. Minus 7 sounded really good. Didn't quite get there. We didn't get that push of westerly flow. Got a little bit of a west-southwesterly direction, but the wind speed didn't pick up, so we didn't get quite the numbers that we like. But boy, this is better than minus 35 that we were looking at just a couple of days ago. Still getting quite a push of cloud cover across the mountains. We are going to be seeing some precipitation making its way into southern Alberta overnight tonight and tomorrow. You already heard about the freezing rain warnings that are out for parts of southern Alberta. And as this precipitation comes across and the temperatures drop overnight, of course, things freeze, and then you get the morning drive in for those of you that are still going to be, having to go to work on Saturday morning. Some people have the weekend off, some don't. Your roads for the commute are going to be a little slick in the morning hours, and that's part and parcel of this big low-pressure center building off the BC coast, already making inroads in. It's not the same system that was moving below the 49th parallel yesterday. That's moving through the Dakotas right now and affecting the Great Lakes. This is another low-pressure center, very broad from the north to the south and very wide as well. So as it pushes across, it's going to push a warm front in first, and then that'll be followed by that precipitation overnight tonight and tomorrow. We had a little bit of an upper-level warm front move through last night, and this one is more towards the surface, and then it'll push that precipitation in behind. So we'll get the warmer air, but it will be a little damp as well. Minus 3 degrees in St. John's. They're looking at snowfall continuing through the Maritimes into Atlantic Canada. Wind chill value still very high in southern Quebec, northern Ontario as well. Snow squalls on the eastern edge of Lake Superior. And then there's no watches or warnings out for wind chill or heavy snowfall or winter storms for Manitoba and Saskatchewan. We talked about the southwestern corner of the province in Alberta seeing some snowfall, and then BC is a bit of a mess with winter storm warnings in most areas of BC, especially those strong wind warnings along the coast. Minus 32 degrees in Whitehorse, which is going to feel like minus 50 tonight with the wind chill value and blizzard warnings in through Yellowknife. They're expecting to see some strong winds overnight tonight as well. So very active weather. East Kootenay are looking at minus 6 for an overnight low. 10 centimeters of snow expected tonight, 2 to 4 tomorrow, 0 for a daytime high. Crow's Nest Pass, 5 degrees for a daytime high tomorrow. Your temperature, though, will rise to minus 3 as you approach the early morning hours. Mainly cloudy tomorrow for you during the daytime hours. Medicine Hat, chance of flurries tonight. Temperature rising overnight to 0 by dawn, and then 9 degrees for a daytime high tomorrow. Sunshine with a chance of evening showers late in the day for you. And here in Lethbridge, we're looking at minus 9 for an overnight low. Tomorrow, 6 degrees for a daytime high. Our winds are expected to kick up in the afternoon hours out of the west at 50 to 70. Actually, they should be starting a little bit earlier in the morning. We'll get to 6 degrees for a high tomorrow. Sunday, 2 degrees, but positive numbers all the way through. 9 degrees, the expected high for Wednesday. Some forecast models are putting it at 11 right now, so I still tend to be conservative with those numbers. Our CTV Citizen Salute for this week, we want to recognize Peter. Peter has actually sacrificed about 11 years of caring for 2 severely ill relatives so they could stay in their home. That's an excellent job, Peter, and we have a basket here for you. Congratulations. That's it for me. Have a very safe and milder weekend, everyone. Stay safe.